there's no need for it. Your opinion is as good for me as any recording. If you say there's no difference, I change the position, you see, because when I'm sitting now, it's a really comfy position, probably about 5-6 inches away from Mike, which is good enough, like, and the ALC is within the right sets. You know, whenever I get myself closer, the ALC goes slightly too high, you know, in my opinion, and you know, according to what I can see on the radio, the ALC goes too far, which is good enough indication for me I'm overloading the front end of it. But if you see there's no difference, so I don't need to be worried. I can be even, you know, closer or further away from it and still going all right. No problem, Marty. Thank you for that. I was just a wee bit concerned why that ALC goes too high. Well, obviously it's the distance related. I'm just getting too close to this mic. It seemed to be like this microphone is very, very high, a very, very high output, you know. So I'm using, from time to time, I'm using that Heil. It seemed to be well balanced, like, you know, it doesn't drive too much, but that Audio Technica may have a bit more sensitivity, and so I have to remember not to get too close to it because the ALC go really mad. But anyway, if you can hear me okay, if there's not much difference, I don't need to be seriously worried about to keep the distance, you know. I don't need any, you know, any spacer between me and Mike and glue it into my forehead, not to get too close, Marty. No problem. Thank you for that report. Go ahead.
Roger, not there. Well, I've just actually, turned my radio up slightly there and just paying particular attention to that over. You just give me a quick over there, but the way you were talking about there, closer, Gregor. Just a quick over. I don't think there's much difference, but.
Right, that's me far away from Mike. Well, not far away, but let's say like 5, maybe 6 inches. This is the moment now, and I am going to get myself closer. Now we have somewhere about 2 inches, maybe less than that. I'm not touching Mike yet, but it is closer, and I can see the ALC going too far on the radio. I just was wondering if that affect the audio on your side. Marty, go ahead.
Roger, no, absolutely not. Just out of curiosity, just to try there, going back there maybe 10-12 inches, Gregor. I'm just curious, over.
Aye, no problem. I'm sitting nice and comfy, resting my back on the big chair. This is a distance. I can tell you exactly what it is. Let's trace the tape. Oh, we are 11 inches away from the mic. 11 inches. It may sound a bit hollow. It may sound like I'm talking from the far corner of the room, but ALC still going sufficiently. So I believe it is good enough, like, to be understood. Go ahead.
Roger, not there, no problem at all. Well, I'll tell you what, I did a wee clip of that. I'll send it to you when I get time. Yeah, I would. You see them 3 settings, Gregor? You wouldn't know you did anything. I'm telling you that, and I'm listening sort of writing sharp there now, and recording there, and yeah, I'll tell you, just no different signal, no difference in tone there. There's no distance there. You know, you can't hear the distance, or no echo, no nothing.